Вчера уже руководители Меджлиса
Yesterday, heads of Mejlis were officially informed that they are charged with mass disturbances and illegal border crossing, meaning the events on the 3rd of May, when near 2,500 of Crimean Tatars broke through the border to meet the former Mejlis chairman, Mustafa Cemilev, on the border. They weren't allowed to pass, and then Crimean Tatars were forced to break through the border and move to a neutral zone. We stayed there for 5-6 hours, and since they didn't let us pass, in Crimea the road blocking started in 7 or 8 places. It was qualified by authorities as mass disturbances, violation of traffic according to articles of Criminal Code of Russian Federation. Prosecutor and force structures visited all the Crimean Tatars involved, and as I said, it's more than 2,000 to check their documents. They received subpoenas and accusations of illegal border crossing. On the 3rd of May, there were near 800 cars on the border. All of them are recorded in force structures. The checkups for businessmen are started to shut their business or to make them collaborate with Russian authorities. Poklonska, prosecutor of Autonomous Crimean Republic, yesterday claimed that if this will be repeated, then on the whole territory of Russian Federation, and this means on the whole territory of Crimea, the activity of Mejlis of Crimean Tatar people will be banned. It means not only in Simferopol, which is very irritating for them, as it is, because it is the only building in the whole Crimea where the Ukrainian flag is hanged alongside the Crimean Tatar flag. Also, the activity of all the 230 Mejlis departments in Crimea will be banned, and this can lead to possible mass rallies of Crimean Tatars and clashes. Although we'll do all we can for Crimean Tatar rallies to have non-violent, strictly democratic nature, but if brutal force will be used by occupying authorities, the reaction can be of any kind, and Mejlis hardly can guarantee that it can hold back the Crimean Tatars.